AIRFRAME, hydraulic and pneumatic power systems. What are three types of hydraulic fluids? Minerals, polyolefins, and phosphate esters. What color is mineral-based hydraulic fluid? Red. What happens to plastic resins, vinyl compositions, lacquers, and oil-based paints if exposed to a phosphate ester-based hydraulic fluid such as Skydrol? The mineral will be damaged, softened, and/or peeled. What feature is built into a hydraulic pump drive system to prevent engine damage in the event of pump seizure or overload? A shear section in the pump drive shaft. What precautions should be taken to minimize contamination during replacement of a hydraulic unit? All lines should be plugged or capped after disconnecting. What would cause a hydraulic filter to go into open bypass, allowing unfiltered fluid into the system? A clogged filter. How does a gear-type power pump operate? Two meshed gears revolve in a housing and are driven by a power unit. Fluid is trapped and pressurized as the gears turn. What are two types of engine-driven hydraulic pumps? Constant delivery and variable delivery. What is the purpose of a pressure relief valve? To limit the amount of pressure, thereby preventing failure of the system components. What is the purpose of a pressure regulator? To manage the output of the pump to maintain system pressure and allow the pump to turn without resistance. What is used in some hydraulic systems to supplement the power pump when several units are operated at the same time? An accumulator. What are the different types of accumulators? Spherical and cylindrical. For what purposes are pneumatic systems used in some aircraft? To operate brakes, doors, drive pumps, and engine starting. What are sources of pneumatic power? Storage bottles, vane-type pumps, and turbine engine compressors. What happens to excessive pressure in a pneumatic system? A relief valve will bleed into the atmosphere. What is the purpose of restrictors that are used in aircraft pneumatic systems? To control the rate of airflow. Why should a pneumatic system be purged periodically? to remove contamination and moisture. What must be accomplished with any accumulator prior to disassembling? Make sure the air or preload has been discharged.